This is a high-level walkthrough of the redesign for the Enterprise Kanban board. So as we move to service lines, we're going to have a list of all the service lines down the left-hand side. Our states will be exactly the same as before. We'll have inception, elaboration, delivery, and transition, similar to the things that we've been talking about. And all the work states will have queues between them. We'll have our policies in place, and we'll break things down through elaboration into delivery, into MMF breakdown, and then have BAT and SIT at the end. So the actual process steps are going to be the same. The design will be a little bit different. So this is an example of what the board may look like. So we're going to be using pre-designed tickets to have information about projects. Again, we'll have different service lines on swim lanes. So this is service line A, which is max accounts, and service line B, max for claims. Those names may change. This is just a quick overview. So the first column is going to have our dependency warning. So whenever a service line has a dependency on another service line, they'll drop a dependency ticket here showing who added this ticket, when they added it, what service line they need help from, and when they need help by. There's also a number in the corner that will signal a work ticket that's on another service line. The second one will be high-level status. So we're going to use status updates from the PMO status report to show whichever metrics seem to make the most sense. Right here I'm just indicating budget, scope, and timeline. So this is showing that budget is red and it's getting worse. Scope is green, timeline is green. And then at the bottom, these are some internal team metrics to show team health. So is the team happy with their process? That signifies the green dot. Dependencies, red means this service line has lots of dependencies, so perhaps we should look at shifting some people around or shifting some work around. And the team health is an indicator of how healthy the team is, so as far as relationships with staff, are they doing regular improvement events, etc. The level of detail will be primarily MMF, so we'll show MMFs and then the name of the MMF with a potential due date or other metadata. Previously we were just showing MMF1 with a list of features, but by having the actual name we find it will be more useful. So the overview I showed earlier will continue all the way down the line, and we're going to be reserving some space on the board for some other information to show. I'd say the primary difference is just having a dependency and health information about the project. So ideally project managers, stakeholders, directors, chiefs, and the PMO can actually get value from this board just simply by looking at this one column.